What's up everybody, Tiffany Outdoors here. Today we're going to work on an aquarium. Stay tuned. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
Follow U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
So I've taken another new interest in aquariums once again. I had them when I was a kid, and I've been doing some research, and I want to try some new stuff with one. So I'm going to start with this aquarium here. It's an Aquarium 5.5 gallon aquarium, and what I want to do with this is make a rimless tank out of it. I love the nice clean lines that a rimless tank offers, so I'm going to attempt to do that with this one, and hopefully I can do this successfully without breaking the glass. We'll see. I got this tank on sale. There was a $1 per gallon sale, so I got this for $5.50. Not a bad deal for a 5.5 gallon tank. Alright, let's get into this. The tools that I'm going to be using are this right here. I think it's a carpet tool. It's called a 6-in-1. I got this from Lowe's, and it's got this nice little hooky thing and a nice wide blade for scraping underneath that rim there. I also have a razor scraper to remove the excess silicone, and I have one of these knives here that you can push the blade all the way up like that to get all the way underneath that, so I can break that seal, the silicone. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is take this label off here and take off the paper and stuff and get started. That label's coming off horribly, so I'm going to go get my heat gun, heat this up, and then take that off. That label didn't come off cleanly, not even a little bit, but that's okay. I can soak that in alcohol and get that off, but right now I want to work on getting this frame off. This frame is held on by silicone, so all I have to do is break the seal with this, but I also have to take my time. I don't want to break the glass. And go around all 4 sides with this. Like I said, the trick to this is taking your time with it. Still really strongly attached to this side. And y'all, it's getting dark out here quick. Can you still see? Oh, you can't see a thing. Wow, okay. Alright, y'all. The price of not being careful, like I said in the beginning of this video, is in the amount of a little over $7 to get this piece of glass cut professionally. Now I did go to Lowe's and have one of the people at Lowe's cut it, but he cut it wrong. And I had the piece of glass that was broken. Still cut it wrong. So I went to a professional glass company, got that piece cut to the proper size. So now I can fix it. And here's what I'm going to do. Alright, I've already taped off the tank. Got my piece of glass here. Oh, first thing I need to do is clean it. I need to clean it and the surfaces with some alcohol. Both sides. Let me do that first. Alright, I'll let that sit up there, let it dry for a few minutes, and then we're going to put some silicone and put it in place. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is lay down a bead of silicone all three sides. This is going on the inside. Okay, take my finger. Slip. Okay. Now, what this is for, I'm going to ever so gently clamp this just to keep it held together. And I'm going to leave this sitting here for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take this clamp off, and then I'm going to silicone the outside of this. Be back in 10 minutes. For the strives, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Y'all, in my foolishness and me not wanting to be patient, I picked this up and I moved it, and of course this pane of glass fell out, so I'm having to redo it again. Alright, so I've got a mess to clean up too. As the glass fell, I've got a big huge mess of silicone to clean up. All that, I mean, it's I need to be patient. I need to be patient. All that. Alright, so I'm going to set this back up, put the clamp back on it, and leave it for 30 minutes. It's been a little over an hour, so now I'm just going to take a straight razor and clean up this excess silicone like that. Get all that stuff off, get it cleaned up, rinse it out, and then do a water test on it. Moment of truth. Let's see if this holds water. I got a couple towels handy just in case things go south on me here. A little bit at first. Go for it. Oh no, I got a leak. Here we go. Test number 2, y'all. Alright. I have resealed it, repaired it. Let's see. Is this going to hold water the way I expect it to? So far, so good. Let me go get more water. More water. All right, success. All right. Second time's a charm. Hey, it worked. I did have to reseal it because I didn't seal it up good enough the first time around with silicone. The second time, it's doing perfectly. Very happy with the result. I learned something with this. I learned that I rush things. I'm impatient. I want results like that. I do the same thing when I'm at the gun range. Oh. I do the same thing when I'm at the range. I rush my shots, and instead of taking my time, slowing down. I just do it. So next time I do one of these rimless tanks, I need to go a little bit slower, taking off the frame itself. Also, I use a hacksaw to cut through the plastic of the frame, so that helped out a lot too. And take my time. Luckily, I have a glass place here in town that was able to cut the piece of glass for me that I broke, and I had to reseal it. That came out wonderfully, as y'all see. Yes, I'm very happy, very satisfied with this. So stay tuned, and you guys are gonna see what I'm going to do with this tank. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be cool. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.